How to draw Luca, the sea monster. Hey, learn how to draw hub crew. So for the first step, we're going to begin by making the outline of Luca's head. We're going to begin by making a big sideways sea-like shape for the top portion. Nice job! Now we have that big open space on the bottom, so we're going to use an even bigger upside down sea-like shape to close that off. Be sure to stick around to the end of the video so that we can call out our drawing of Luca together. Fantastic job! Now on the right side of the face, we're going to begin to use curved lines along with small sea-like shapes to make the first ear. In the middle of the ear, we're going to use a line which will connect the middle point to the face. Good job, learn how to draw hub crew. Now let's move to the left hand side and let's do the exact same thing that we just did on the right. Next, we're going to draw the hair of Luca. So above each ear that we just made, we're going to begin to make similar to a heart-like shape, but it will not have the point at the bottom. Now moving above the head, we're going to begin adding small half circle-like shapes to make the hair of Luca. Well, learn how to draw hub crew. So far this is coming along very well. Now we're going to go above everything that we just made and we're going to add in a second row of hair. Now let's just make this last piece awesome. Now we're going to move inside of the face. We're going to begin to make two circles for the eyes of Luca the sea monster. Now, inside of each circle that we just made, we're going to add in another small circle, followed by a black oval shape, which will be the pupil. Now we're getting towards the end, but we're not done just yet. We're going to move above each eye that we just made, and we're going to begin adding a very thin eyebrow. Later on in the video, we're going to color in these eyebrows a dark navy blue color. Now to draw the nose, we're going to add in 2 small circles that will both be black. These will represent the nostrils. Great job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew. Now right below the nose, we're going to begin to add in an open mouth. There will be 3 teeth on the top and 1 tongue at the bottom. Now lastly, to finish today's drawing, we'll add in a tongue on the bottom of the mouth. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub, and if you enjoy watching step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button. Now stick around so that we can color our drawing together. Hey Learn How to Drill Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.